Welcome to Mind Science. Today, we're discussing how to break free from a narcissistic relationship. If you're feeling stuck, know you're not alone. Let's get started. 1. Recognize the problem. First, recognize the signs. Narcissists manipulate, control, and lack empathy. Understanding these traits is the first step. 2. Plan your exit. Save money, gather important documents, and find a safe place to stay. Preparation is key. 3. Build support. Don't go through this alone. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups. Having a support system makes a huge difference. 4. Leave safely. When you're ready, leave safely and quickly. Inform your support system and have a safe place to go. If you're in danger, involve the authorities. 5. Heal and move on. After leaving, focus on healing. Block the narcissist on all platforms and seek therapy or counseling to rebuild your self-esteem. Breaking free is tough, but you can do it. You deserve a life free from control. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. Take care and stay strong. Thanks for watching.